Hello friends, welcome to my 5th Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a table of contents for your Word document. As you can see, here I've got a document which is 3 pages long document which contains different topics and subtopics. Now the importance of setting up a table of content in Word is that your document has to use headings. So where do you go? You'll have to go to the top here in Home tab under Style Group. You will see that there are heading 1, 2, 3, title, subtitle, and etc. When you look at my document, this is my title. So I'm going to highlight it and go here to select as a title. Don't worry about the font size and the font because you can change it later. This is my subtopic. This is one of the topics under my title. So I'm going to make it to a heading. Heading 1. Now I'm going to browse down the document to find the next topic. Here, this is the next topic. So what I do is highlight it, go to the styles, and then click on heading 1. Here is another topic. Highlight it and change to heading 1. And here is another one. I'll do the same. Highlight it and then put it as a heading 1. Next, you'll see that there are subtopics under this topic. So I'll go ahead and select it. Highlight it and then change to heading 2. Here is another one. Highlight it, change to heading 2 because it is a subtopic of this climate change impact. Highlight it, change to heading 2. The same here. Now once I have selected the heading, I can go ahead and create a table. First, I'll have to place my cursor where I want my table of content to be. So let me place it on top of the page. I'll go to References tab, and here you will see a table of contents. Click on it, and you will see that there are different tables of content. For now, I'm going to use Automatic Table 1 Content. And here we go. And if you don't like the font size, you can select all of them by pressing Ctrl A and change the font size. Go to Home, tab Font, change the font and also change the font size. And if you have added anything in this document later or the page number change, you can also update the whole table. Here on top of it, Update Table. Update entire table and OK. By doing this, if there is anything changes, your font and your font size may change as well. But again, you can always reset or change your font. Notice next to the Update Table here, there is a button that you can change the table content to Automatic Table 1, 2, or Manual Table and customize it the way you want. So this is all that you need to know how to create your own table of contents in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video for more Microsoft Word tutorials.